Welcome to aminacademy.com. In discrete mathematics, let us discuss about fundamental principle of counting. Here, if one operation can be performed in m ways, and if corresponding to each of the m ways of performing this operation, there are n ways of performing a second operation, then the number of ways of performing the two operations together is m into n ways. Here, if one operation is performed m ways and the corresponding to each of the m ways of performing this operation, there are n ways of performing a second operation, then the second operation can be performed in n ways corresponding to the m ways. Then number of ways of performing the two operations together, then the number of ways of performing two operations together is m into n ways. Means first set of operation in m ways, the second set of operation in n ways corresponding to m ways, then the number of ways of performing two operations together is m into n ways. This is a basic principle of counting. In general, the above principles can be extended for multiple operations. For multiple operations, more than two individual operations, suppose it is m comma n comma p dot dot dot, then total number of ways, then the total number of ways then the total number of ways of operation together, so operations together is m into n into p into dot 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 ways. Now let us do an example for this counting principle. You can understand clear. There are 8 buses running between two towns A and B. In how many ways can a man go from A to B and return from the different buses? Means from cities A, town A and B, there are 8 different buses in operation. Suppose a person can travel from A to B and return in different buses, then totally how many ways are there? Here the man can go A to B, suppose A to B, and the person can go in 8 ways because 8 buses are there, and he is not returning, he is not to return the same bus that he took while going, that he took while going. Then there will be 7 ways, because already 8 ways are there. 1 ways is less now, so it is 7 ways to return. In 7 ways he can return back. Therefore, total number of ways, therefore then the total number of ways in which he can go to B, in which he can go to B and return back to A, and return back to A is 8 into 7, which is equal 56 ways. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.